BBN, it's Friday morning. Wake up. Your favorite show, Charles in Charge, is back. Today, I have Will linebacker, Jamin Davis. Jamin, tell these beautiful people where you're from.
Little Wissy, Georgia, baby. 912.
Little Wissy, Georgia. He is not a little wussy, though. I'll make that clear right now. All right, you've been here for a summer. Well, first and foremost, why'd you come here? Why Kentucky?
Well, Kentucky is the place to be. Of course, we doing something special here, man. You just got to get in the program and get with it or get going, you know?
All right, so far you've been here for a summer. Were you an early enrollee?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so you've been here for more than a summer. What have you liked best so far?
It's great just being around you guys and getting great with the grades and stuff like that and getting the playbook, getting an advantage over everybody else that just got here.
All right, school-wise then, what is your major or what are you going to claim as your major?
I plan on going into mechanical engineering.
We have a very smart guy here, BBN. Our special guest today is none other than one of the Blitz Bros, Denzel Ware. Denzel, you have a question for him, I believe?
Yes, and my question for you today is, which one person would you love to tackle the most right now during training camp?
I'm going to have to say Benny Snell on that one. Benny.
Ooh, you got it. Oh, and here he is. Hey, here we go. Hey, Benny. I just asked Jamin, right now going through training camp, who would he want to hit the most, and his response was?
Benny Snell.
Oh, so we're gonna hope to see y'all this Saturday. We'll get some head up matches. The match action. We'll see who wins.
Let's see them.
And you got it first, Facebook.